Options, yes. Second option, close. Is this clear? When you take the difference and if you don't get the answer with difference, go for difference of difference. Next, analogy. The relation that exists with the first two should be same with the next two. Now this is 13 and 19. There is not much difference. మనం ఏమనుకుంటాం +6 అనుకుంటాం కానీ ఇక్కడ ఇట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్ అవునా కాదా మేబీ యూ మే నాట్ వర్క్అవుట్ విత్ దిస్ హియర్ 13 and 19 but we can guess with 37 and 67. Is it 2 times? Yes. 37 to 74. 74 minus 7, 67. 13 to 26 minus 7. సరిపోయింది కదా? Yes. 2 times of 46, 92. Minus 7. How much is this? 85. Do you have it in the options? Yes. 28. This is a question clearly on blood relations. What is this question related to? Blood relations. So what's happening here? Amulya is the daughter of Mahesh. Amulya is the daughter of Mahesh. Next. Mahesh's mother is Yamini. Mahesh's mother is Yamini, female. Emilia is Yamini's mother. Emilia is Yamini's mother. Emilia's husband is Hari. Now this woman Emilia is married to Hari. Reshma is the mother-in-law of Hari. Reshma is the mother-in-law of Hari. Mother-in-law ante Emilia's mother. Oru Reshma. Space ledu pakkku rastunna. Next. How is Amulya related to Hari? How is Amulya related to Hari? Hari's daughter. Daughter's granddaughter. Daughter's granddaughter is called as great granddaughter. Great granddaughter. Okay. So which option is my answer? This is an excellent question. I'm sure everybody here is looking forward for this question. Yes? And I'll tell you something, listen. 4 number pairs are given, out of which 3 are alike in a certain way and 1 is different. Select the one that is different from the rest. First, what I'll tell you is, I'll teach you the mistake which many students have done. I'll show you the mistake which many students have done. The biggest mistake which many students have done is, what they have done is, they have added the digits of this 7, 1 and 6, 1. If I add the digits, what will I get? 15. 2, 9, 1, 3. If I add all the digits, what will I get? 15. If I add all the digits, how much will I get? 18. If I add all the digits here, I'll get 15. Sir, 1, 2 and 4, the sum of the 4-digit number is 15, except third. అని చెప్పి మనం ఆ రకంగా ఆన్సర్ పెట్టొచ్చా సార్? ఆ రకంగా నువ్వు ఆన్సర్ పెడితే ఇఫ్ యూ గో విత్ దట్, వాట్ అబౌట్ దిస్ నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్? అవునా కదా? వాట్ సమ్ హ్యావ్ డన్ ఇస్, అచ్చా చలో యూ ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ అబౌట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ కదా. దీస్ 3 are odd, but here it is even. Still my answer is 3. No, that is the biggest mistake you do. Never go with this type of stupid logics. Is this clear? When he is giving us a pair of numbers, pakka the second one will be related to first one, or else the first is related to second, and they will follow exactly some sort of pattern. అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికీ? So compulsory there should be relationship between. You're not supposed to go for this separate and this separate, and then I'll go for this separate and no. There is some relationship between those numbers, and you have to find out that particular relation, and that is very, 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 very important. And this one is pretty tough. It is not that easy. But how to guess? Look at this 2 and look at this 91. Look at 2 and 91. Any guesses? I have given you a clue. Amma? 2 into 91 plus 3. 2 into 91, 182 plus 3 is 185. 7 into 16 plus 1. What is 7 into 16? 112. 70, 42, 112 plus 1. 3 into 31, 93 plus 8, 101. 3 into 25, 75 plus 8 is 83. But what is given there? 120, which is the wrong number? Third. Is this clear? 100% guarantee there will be link between the first and the second. Either vice versa also. Second to 1 or 1 to 2. Anything can happen. But pakka there will be link. You have to think in that particular way. Okay? Chalo. Adhaingamma, many of you have wasted maybe 1 hour on this. ఏంది ఆలోచించి చాలామంది ఒక గంటనే వేస్ట్ చేసి ఉంటారు. అయిపోయిందిగా, అదే ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. ఇట్లాంటి అద్భుతమైన లాజిక్లు వచ్చినప్పుడు మైండ్లో దాహేసుకోవాలి. Save these type of variety logics in your buffer memory. Whenever there is necessity, once if you come across this type of questions, what happens is, whenever you see a question again, this logic will help us to remind. Maybe we should also think in that particular way. అది ఎప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది? ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చూస్తేనే కదా తెలిసేది. ఇట్లాంటివి సేవ్ చేసుకొని పెట్టుకోండి మైండ్లో. మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్, మిర్రర్ ఈస్ ప్లేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద రైట్ సైడ్. వాట్స్ మై ఆన్సర్? మా fourth option. Yes. Let's go for this. A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in a row facing north. B is second to the right of D. B is second to the right of B for Bombay, second to the right of D. Everybody is facing north and there are only 6 people. A is not sitting at any extreme ends of the lines. F is sitting at one of the extreme ends of the lines. F and B are immediate neighbors of C. F and B are immediate neighbors of C. So pakka this has to be C and this should be F. And he clearly told us F is sitting at one of the extreme ends. 5 people are there. This is the 6th place. A is sitting in the extreme end, not sitting at the extreme end, not sitting. Who is left out? E. What's the question? Who is sitting third to the left of C? Who is sitting third to the left of C? D. D for telling. D. Option 2. 32nd question. Now this I'll just teach you in the regular way. And then later I'll tell you what is the shortcut. Rani is 23rd from the right side and Pooja is 13th from the left side. If Rani and Pooja interchange their positions, mancha vinanamma. If Rani and Pooja interchange their positions, what's the point here? Rani will be 54th from the right. Rani will be 54th from the right. And this I have already taught you before. They are interchanging their positions. And Rani is going and sitting in the position of Pooja. And that 54th from the right end was actual position of Pooja. Avuna kada. So clearly, what is Pooja's place? Pooja is actually 54th from right end. And to the right of Pooja, there are 53 people. What was the earlier position of Pooja from left end? Pooja is 13th from left side. Pooja is 13th from left side, and to her left there will be 12. Entamandamma? 12. Ardhamainda? By doing this, what you have done here is ante you are getting the correct number of people in the row. You are getting the correct number of people in the row. How many people are here in the row? 12 plus 53, 65 plus Pooja, 66. Total strength is 66. Avuna kada? Ippudu what is the original position of Rani? Amma, what is the original position of Rani from left side? What is the original position of Rani from left side? Ante, what was her position before? 23rd from right. Amma, 23rd from right. Ante, including Rani, how many people covered? 23. Avuna kada? Out of 66, 23 are covered. How many are left out? 43. Where are those 43 people left of Rani? Yes or no? What is her position from left hand? 44. అయిపోయిందా? ఈ రకంగా చేసుకోవాలి తెలివిగా. Done? P has to move towards south in order to reach N and towards east in order to reach R. Please pay attention here. P has to move towards south to reach N and towards east to reach R. R who is to the north of Q. R who is to the north of Q ante Q is to the south of R. Ante kada? Sare. Q ని ఎక్కడ ఎండ్ చేయాలో తెలియదు కదమ్మా with respect to N. Maybe Q is here or Q is here kada. How many possibilities? 3 possibilities when compared with N. So I'll just leave it. తెలుసు మనకి Q is below R అంతే. Next చదువు. P and R have to travel northeast and northwest direction respectively in order to reach L. Respectively. First P northeast, R northwest in order to reach L. Correct kada? Next entity. In which direction must L travel in order to reach Q? Pakka Q is here kada? What is this considered as? Amma? Kadam. Now this is an excellent question. I'll just show you the way how your approach should be. I'll just show you the way how your approach should be. Okay na? Ma, manchi chudandamma. If I draw a line exactly in the middle, the left hand side and right hand side are same. Yes or no? And this means that the number of triangles that are present in the left hand side and the right hand side will be same. What you try to do is first to go for right hand side. First to go for right hand side. This is 1. Can you see that dot? Pink colored 1, 2, 3, 4. Igo. Idi 5. Antena? Chapandamma. Tarvata. 6. This is 7. Okay now? Now bigger one, 8. 8. Now there is one triangle which you have missed. Igo, idi. How many did I get? 9. I have 9 here and pakka on the other side also 9. 9 plus 9 entamma? Amma? 18. Already 18 అయిపోయినాయి. ఇప్పుడు combination కొడదాం. We'll go for combination. 1, 2, 3, go. 4, yes, you go. 5, this bigger one, 6. 18 plus 6, closed. Is this clear? This is how you do. 6 ropes A, B, C, D, F have different lengths. A is longer than D but shorter than only 2. Total how many? 6. A is longer than D but shorter than only 2. And A is less than only 2. The meaning of that is only 2 are greater than A. And before A there are only 2. Kadam A is in the third place. Next. C is shorter than A but longer than F. F which is not the shortest. F which is not the shortest. So pakka there is no other possibility. This has to be C and this should be F. Because in between A and F there is C. Then D should be after A kada. So this is D. And then he says B is not the longest. So this should be B. Who is left out? A, B, C, D, E. What's the question? How many ropes are longer than D but shorter than B? Longer than D but shorter than B. How many do I see? Amma? 3. A series is given. Missing. Let's find out this. Let's go with the numbers. Number to bodam zal first. 4, 8, 12, 16. And a pakka 20. Any possibilities? 2 possibilities. Now next we'll go with the next letter. 13, 16, 19. I am talking only about the place values. I am not taking the names of the letters. 13, 16, 19, 22, 25. 25, Y. Which option? Third option. Indonesia, Asia and Bangladesh. Indonesia and Bangladesh are 2 different countries in Asian continent. Option. Letter cluster is given to us. Go only with the place values. 3, 7. Chapanama. Plus 4. 7, 10. Plus 3. 10, 14. Plus 4. Plus 3. Plus 4, plus 3, plus 4, plus 3. There is some consistency here. Avuna kada. Mali chudu. 11, 15. Plus 4. 15, 18. Plus 3. 18, 22. Plus 4. Plus 3. Done kada? 12, 16. Plus 4. 16, 19. Plus 3. 19, 23. Plus 4. 23, 26. Plus 3. So all the 3 same. So pakka this is my answer. Kan appudu chuddam okkasari. 17, 21 plus 4. 21, 25 plus 4. Mistaken. Plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. Now look at this question. Which number should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? To make the given equation correct. This type of question will always go with the last option first. Avuna kada? Reverse. 8 and 3. If I interchange 8 and 3 and if I put 8 here and 3 here, is this 108 divisible by 8? We will get answer in decimals. I need answer 60. 4 and 19. If I put 19 here and 4 here, big problem. ఎందుకు ఫస్ట్ డివిజన్ నెక్స్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 108 divided by 3 ఎంతమ్మా 108 divided by 3 is 36 36 into 19 అంటే అబ్బో ఎడుకోబోతాం అవునా కాదా అవసరమా మన కోసమే 4 and 3 అన్నాడు చూసుకుందాం ఇది 4 ఇది 3 108 divided by 4 27 into 3 plus 19 minus 8 into 5. Chalo, 27 3s 81. Identa 40. Igo plus 81. Idemo minus 40. Majalo oka plus 19 undi. Avuna kada? Manaku easy chesukotam kosam ee rendu teesi padai. Plus 81 minus 40. 41. 41 plus 19. Done? Yes? Babu, alphabetical order as they occur in dictionary. First letters, mancha vinale, please. First, TR, same. Concentrate on the third letter. E, A, I. What comes first? A. A ante 4. I ante last. Your answer should start with 4, end with 5. How many options? 2 options. Now look at this. The remaining 3. Now my concentration is only on these 3 here. ఈ వచ్చేసిన ఎం వచ్చింది ఎం తర్వాత ఏ తర్వాత ఎస్ ఓ యు విచ్ కమ్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఓ అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ 4 ఇట్ షుడ్ బి 3 విచ్ ఆప్షన్ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ క్లియర్ నౌ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ హియర్ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ హెక్సాగన్ వాట్ ఈస్ మిస్సింగ్ హియర్ దిస్ లైన్ ఈస్ మిస్సింగ్ హియర్ ఫస్ట్ రైట్ సైడ్ మళ్ళా సెకండ్కి వచ్చేసి చూడు అమ్మా దట్ మిస్సింగ్ లైన్ ఈస్ గివెన్ హియర్ ఇన్ మిడిల్ అవునా కాదా Now earlier right side missing, now left side missing, and that missing line is added here. Avuna kada? Right, left. Ippudu em kavali? Right should miss, and I'll get something like this. Yes or no? And that one should be added extra, so you'll get something like this. Which option is my answer? This question. How will you solve this question? We will look at the letters repeating. Q and D. Amma, I see U after D. Avuna kada? Every option is starting with U. Ayipoyindi answer. QDUNM. QDUNM. Katam. Which option will be my answer? Kaushal and Likith are brothers. What did he say? Kaushal and Likith are brothers. When I say brothers, 2 male persons. Manas and Preeti are married couple. Who are Manas and Preeti? Married couple. Nimra is the daughter of Kaushal. Nimra is the daughter of Kaushal. Likith is the father of Likith is the father of Preeti. Earlier, we do have information about Preeti and Manas. Who are Preeti and Manas? Manas and Preeti are married couple kada. So, pakka this is Manas. Ante kadamma. Next em chadu. Chandana is the wife of Likith. Chandana is the wife. Likith. And Kaushal's mother's name is Manu. Kaushal's mother's name is Manu. And she is also mother to Likith. Tarvata Divya is Manas' daughter. Divya is Manas' daughter. How is Preeti related to Nimra? How is Preeti related to Nimra? Cousins. Simple as it is. Yes? Now look at this question. He says 2937 means I like green apples, but concentrate on what is asked here. You have to go for like. See where is like? I can see like in two places. Like, but along with like there is also green. Avuna kada? There are two words common. Ante 29378073. So 7 or 3. Avuna kada? And if you observe carefully, there is green here. And we don't have like. When there is green here and we don't have like ante 7 and 3. Any one number will be present kada? What is that number? 7. Ante green is equals to 7. Katam. Like is equals to Indonesia, Jakarta. Capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. Capital of Canada, Ottawa. Even if you don't know the capital of Canada, you can decide the answer by remaining three options, because these are, you might have heard regularly: Doha, Qatar; Muscat, Oman; Seoul, South Korea. Asian countries, Ottawa, Inlay. What is the answer? Canada. Ade, first option. Now look at this. Two positions of the dice are shown. When there are 5 dots at the top, how many dots are to be at the bottom? 5 at top, how many at bottom? Until you are talking about opposite faces of the cube kada. Do you see 2 here? Chapandamma. I also see 2 here. This 2 is adjacent to 1 and 4. Until 2 cannot be opposite to 1 and 4. Avuna kada. At the same time, 2 is also adjacent to 3 and 6. So 2 cannot be opposite to 3 and 6. So 2 has to be opposite to 5. The question, who is opposite to 5? What's the answer? 2. Costly. Costly is written with some numbers, and there are too many numbers. There are too many numbers. COSTLY. 8. I'll go for 12. This is 24. 17. Tarvata. Amma. Malelu kuda 17. 22. Plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Minus 15, 12 minus 3 kada. 19, 24 plus 5. 20, 17 minus 3. 12, 17 plus 5 minus 3. Done? Is this the same happening on the other side? J 10 plus 5, 15. 12. O is 12 ante minus 3. Okay kada? ఇప్పుడు నీకేం కావాలి? బ్యూటీ గురించి కావాలి. అంతేనా? ఫస్ట్ రెండు చెప్పేస్తే అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. అవునా కాదా? B is how much? 2. 2 plus 5, 7. E is how much? 5. 5 minus 5 అంటే 0 అని అవుతుంది దయచేసి. 26. ఎందుకంటే E's place value can also be written as 31. అంతే కదా? సారీ minus 3 కదా? అదే 5 minus 3. సారీ 5 minus 3. నేను minus 5 అనుకున్నా, సారీ 5 minus 3. minus 3 అనుకుంటే సారీ ప్లస్ 5 minus 3 కదా? ఎస్. చలో 2 అంటే which option? First option. Close. Now let's go for this 32B. What is B? A ante what is B? Multiplication. 35A minus 24. What is C? Plus 52D. Division. Divided by. So always concentrate on plus and multiplication. Wherever you have plus and multiplication, multiplication and division, they are separated by plus and minus. No problem. First పక్కా ఇదే కదా మరి రావాల్సింది. అప్పుడు అది ఎంత అవుతుంది? 11. తర్వాత 52 divided by 4. How much 52 divided by 4? అమ్మా 13. Done. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ 32 into 4. 128. 12 into 11. 132. 128 minus 132 plus 13. Minus 4 plus 13. In the answer? Plus 9. Clear? Next question. Ma, don't divide the digits. You have to do the operation exactly the same way that you emantam as they are present. Any guesses? 8 into 4, 32 plus 8 plus 4, 44. Similarly, 12 into 7 plus, Amma, 12 plus 7 is equal to 103. 9 into how much? Go with the options. నువ్వు కష్టపడిపోయి ఏదో ఇప్పుడు చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. 9 into 10 అంటే 90 అవసరం లేదు. 99 99 వద్దు. 9 into 8 చాలు కదా. 9 8 72. 72 plus 17 89. సరిపోయింది కదా. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ నువ్వు దాన్ని 9 into x plus 9 plus x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 89 అని చెప్పి ఇవన్నీ క్వాలిఫై మనం ఉంటారు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి అంత అవసరం లేదు, అంత సీన్ లేదు ఆడ. ఆప్షన్లతో పోతే అయిపోయింది కదమ్మ ఆన్సర్. అది కొంతమంది అట్లా కూడా చేస్తారు, అందుకని చెప్తున్నాను. నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ అ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్ వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్స్. 60 స్టూడెంట్స్ పార్టిసిపేటెడ్ ఇన్ 1 or more of the 3 quiz competitions. Participated in 1 or more అంటే none is 0. All the 60 have participated in at least 1 competition. So what are the 3 competitions? Quiz, extempore and debate. This is debate. I'll call this as A, B. You know it, we have taught you in the class. P, Q, R, and this is X. Total is mu. Mu is equals to how much? 60, because there are 60 people. None is 0 here. N equals to 0. What's the point here? Amma, a total of 22 students participated either in quiz only or in extempore only. Either in quiz only or extempore only. Ante A plus B is equals to 22. Quiz only or extempore only. Quiz only ante ene kada. Extempore only ante entidi B. ఎంతమంది పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు? 20. క్విజ్ అండ్ ఎక్స్టెంపర్ ఎండ్ అనే పదం పడితే దెన్ యు వుడ్ హావ్ టాక్డ్ అబౌట్ P. Understood? But he is using the word R. Be careful. So he is talking about only quiz, inka only extempore. A plus B is equals to how much? 22. Next. 4 students participate in all the 3. All the 3 ante X. X is equals to 4. A total of 14 students participated in any one of the 2 competitions only. Any one of the 2 competitions only. Only 2. Ante P plus Q plus R is equals to how much? 14. P plus Q plus R. This ABC exactly 1. PQR exactly 2. X exactly 3. How many of them are playing only one game? A plus B plus C. How many of them are playing only 2 games? P plus Q plus R. How many of them are playing only 3 games? X. అర్థమైందా? ఇది క్లాస్ అయితేనే అర్థమవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్, how many students participate in debate only? Debate only అంటే C. You have information about everything except C. Mu is equals to A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R plus X. What is the total of this? చెప్పండమ్మా. 16 22 40. 18 22 40. అవునా కదా? 40 should be subtracted from 60. How much is that? 20. Which option is my answer? Second option. Is this clear? Thank you.